Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 16. Our learning goal for today says, I can write 1 to 5 and show different parts. Okay friends, today we're going to have a challenge. Are you ready? Instead of just showing the different parts, we're going to figure out what the missing part is in order to show the different parts. Okay? So I'm super duper excited. What I need you to do, friends, is go ahead and press pause while you go grab a dry erase board and a marker because you're going to need that right away in the beginning of our lesson. So press pause, go grab those materials, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, do you have your good stuff? Awesome, here we go. All right, the first part that I have is, how many circles do you see, friends? Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's one of the parts because what I would like you to do on your dry erase board is make 4. Okay, so if I have 3, go ahead and draw the other part on your board in order to get to 4. So how many more circles do we need to make 4? Go ahead and draw it. Okay, did you draw the other part? Okay, friends, what's the other part that you drew? Ding, 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 yeah, 1. Because 3 and 1 more make 4. I know because I could do this. I could count my 3. 1, 2, 3, and then draw 1 more as I say 4. 4. All right. So I could clearly see the 2 parts in 4 are 3 and 1. Excellent job. All right, ready for another challenge? Go ahead and erase your board. Okay, so here's the first part. How many circles do you see? 3 again. Good job. That was so fast. 1, 2, 3. That's the first part because now we're going to be making 5. Ooh. All right, on your board, go ahead and draw the missing part that's not up there yet. I have 3 plus how many more would make 5? Go ahead and draw the good circles. Okay. Do you have the other part that we're missing? All right, how many circles did you draw? What? You drew 2? 1, 2. Let's see if that adds up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that works exactly. Okay, so if I said, for this picture, what are the different parts of 5? What would you tell me? Yeah, you want to fill in the sentence then. Blank and blank make 5. What would you say? Excellent job. You could say 3 and 2 make 5. Oh, you are so good at a challenge. Go ahead and erase your board, you smarty pants. Okay, so it's important that we make sure that we can draw the different parts to show the different parts of a number, right? That's what we've been practicing. Let's see. Another challenge that we could do would be to say the numbers, not counting up, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but counting backwards. Oh, are you ready? All right, if we're going to count backwards, let's start at 5. If I want to go down, what number comes before 5? Yes, 4. So I would say 5, 4. What would come next, friends? Oh, good. 3, then 2, then 1. Excellent job. That was a really good challenge. I can count backwards. Let's go ahead and let's start here and let's count backwards all the way to 1. Go for it, friends. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to mix them up all over. Miss Arwa, you're so wild today. Friends, who can tell me what those numbers are? Can you read those numbers out of order? How about read them to the person next to you and I'll listen along. Go for it. Yeah, you want to say them out of order. So say 4, 5. Go for it. Yeah, isn't it funny to count like that? 4, 5, 2, 1, 3. If you went home and you said, hey, parents, listen to my great counting, and you said 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, they would think that you are being a little too goofy. Do you agree? Yeah, because that's just a random order. We know that we can start at 1 and go up to 5, or we can start at 5 and go down to 1. That makes sense. Doing it all scribble scrabble like this is a good check to make sure we know what the different numbers are, but that's not the correct order, right? All right, good. I'm glad that you know that. All right, friends, our learning goal for today said, I can write 1 to 5 and show the different parts. We started today by practicing showing those different parts, and then we counted from 5 all the way back to 1. Now here's your challenge, friends. You know that I mixed up those numbers into 4, 5, 2, 1, 3. That is not the way that you count. Can you fix those numbers for me? Can you start at 1 and go all the way to 5? Can you write them in your best handwriting on your dry erase board and then send that good picture to me? Ah, good. Excellent. All right. Good luck, friends.